Mark wants to know what's happening in his consumer digital service in order to turn data into business actions, optimize his digital service, and ultimately to improve his overall business results. The thing is, he doesn't know how to go about it. Multiple data sources, Excel spreadsheets, and paper reports are available to him, but the huge quantity of information that he has to process and analyze is getting out of control. He's desperate because he has to give a presentation providing a complete overview of his digital services performance and specific action plan to improve their business. And he doesn't know how to do it quickly and efficiently. If he doesn't do a good job, it'll be obvious that he doesn't control what happens next with their consumers, their product's catalog performance, their digital service user experience, etc. So Mark Googles, how to tell if my consumer digital service is successful. And then he finds an eye-opening article about how to do it at jumpdatadriven.com. Suddenly, Mark saw the light. The article discussed how modern business intelligence, predictive analytics, and consumer personalization could be used to optimize a consumer digital business. The rule of success was to use a data-driven tool to effectively manage the enormous amount of data that digital media services generate, and to provide a holistic view of the digital business, enabling fast decision-making that has a real impact on the company's ROI. The approach was like using a unified tool that doesn't just gather and help manage information, give fast insights about what has happened, what is happening, and what will happen on a consumer digital service, but also tailor the product offering to the individual consumers to delight them. With this information, it was much easier to have a vision of actual and estimated business performance, turn these insights into actions, and even be able to align that performance with the business objectives. Mark decides to give it a try and asks for a trial of Jump, data-driven intelligence platform. By using Jump, Mark manages to get a complete and accurate view of his consumer digital business and an understanding of the most relevant improvement actions he can take to optimize it. The next day, he presents it to the company. It was an enormous success, and lots of people congratulate Mark for his holistic and effective vision of the company's consumer digital business that he oversees.